I love the way this question's worded. You know what the Earth needs? An asteroid impact. Well, my friend, there's a very simple answer to that. We have. This is Meteor Crater in Arizona. It's about 3/4 of a mile wide and about 180 meters deep. And the size of the asteroid to create it is estimated to be around 30 to 50 meters wide. When compared to the size of the Earth, it's tiny, but it was traveling 10 times faster than a rifle bullet, or rather around 12 kilometers a second. And the impact energy is estimated to be about 10 megatons of TNT, so about the size of the first hydrogen bomb. However, Meteor Crater is just one example. There are dozens of others. Scientists are trying to find more and more evidence of impact craters here on Earth. But because the surface of the Earth keeps changing because of tectonic plates over millions of years, they're very hard to spot. Unlike our nearest celestial partner, the Moon, which is not geologically active and therefore is a record for impact craters throughout its life. And while Meteor Crater is hard to miss, some of them are more difficult to spot. But we have seen them because we've photographed them from space. In Siberia in 1908, we had the Tunguska event, where an entire forest was flattened. Quick shout out to the Resistance series on PS3, which was based on this event. There are some relatively young craters in Saudi Arabia that were found in 1933. They could be as young as a few centuries old. This was caught on camera in Canada in the 1970s, and it missed us. It flew back out into space. It was travelling at 15 kilometers a second, and I'm sure we all remember this. Russia 2013. An asteroid less than 20 meters in diameter exploded in the upper atmosphere. The blast was powerful enough that it smashed windows and damaged over 7,000 properties. This was captured in 2015 in New Zealand. And this was captured in the UK 2020. Although it's worth mentioning this one and the New Zealand one were much smaller, and they were more likely to just be meteorites. No different to the ones we see in meteor showers, only sometimes you get the odd massive one. And the point I'm making here is the Earth is being hit all the time. It's just a case that most of them are too small to actually make it to the surface. They end up burning up in the atmosphere. But as you saw with the one in Russia 2013, sometimes they're big enough to actually explode and cause damage high above in the atmosphere. That asteroid was only 20 meters in diameter. And of course there's the Chicxulub crater in Mexico, believed to be the impact crater from the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Unfortunately, it's not actually visible anymore, because it's buried underneath the Yucatan Peninsula. The centre of it is actually offshore, but there are still two surface expressions of the crater itself. One of the NASA space shuttles detected a depression through radar in the surface, and this is where the crater is buried. I should mention the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs is estimated to be only 10 kilometers in diameter. And I'm going to end the video with this map. Every single red dot is an impact crater.